Welcome to a comprehensive guide on enhancing your online security and privacy with Stark VPN. In this detailed walkthrough, we will guide you through setting up Stark VPN to establish a secure and encrypted connection, ensuring a protected online browsing experience. Let's begin fortifying your digital presence effortlessly. Step 1. Installation of Stark VPN. Begin by visiting the Google Play Store and installing Stark VPN on your device to kickstart the setup process. Step 2. Accessing the app menu. After installation, open the Stark VPN app and tap on the three dots icon to access the app menu for personalized configurations. Step 3. Selecting Updates Tweaks. Opt for the Updates Tweaks option among the presented choices to guarantee your VPN is up to date for optimal performance. Step 4. Configuration via Settings Gear. Fine-tune your settings by clicking on the Settings Gear icon to explore advanced configurations suited to your preferences. Step 5. Cloudflare DNS selection. Choose the Cloudflare DNS option to enhance your browsing speed and security with reliable DNS resolution, optimizing your online protection. Step 6. Initiating the secure connection. Finalize the setup by tapping on the prominent Connect button within the app interface to establish a secure and encrypted connection through Stark VPN for enhanced online security. Conclusion. Congratulations on successfully configuring Stark VPN to elevate your online security. Enjoy a safer browsing experience with Stark VPN's advanced features. For ongoing support and insights, don't forget to engage through likes, subscriptions, and comments. Stay connected with us by joining our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for additional assistance. Thank you for prioritizing your digital security with Stark VPN.